What if I told you that this workout could change your life? What if I told you you just have to start somewhere? Let's get started. We're going to get started by getting into that poopy position. Toot your booty out, suck your abs in, extend your triceps. Don't act like you don't know what the poopy position is. Everybody has done the poopy position. Extend your arms. Good. Suck your abs in. Good. Let's get those Michelle Obama arms. You look good. You're doing a good job. Keep going. There you go. All right, boxer shuffles. Suck your abs in and show me all the attitude you got. I know you have attitude. This is a very important part of this workout. Awesome. I'll explain to you in just a moment why the boxer shuffles are so important, but next we're going to the Arnold press. Abs sucked in, feet are wider than shoulder width apart. Touch your elbows together in front if you can, and extend to the ceiling. This is a great compound movement for your arms. It's amazing. If you can incorporate weights into this workout, that would be awesome. If you can't, it's all good. You're working out. Boxer shuffles, you already know. Suck your abs in, put all the energy you've got in there. I'm sure you're feeling good by now. Sumo arm lifts. Feet are wider than shoulder width apart. And you just do this funky move I'm doing. Clap your hands in front and clap them at the top. You look awesome. Make sure you keep that slight bend in your knee. Your abs are sucked in. You touch your hands in front. Go to the side. Touch them at the top. Good. Next up, we're going to those boxer shuffles again. Now, these boxer shuffles are here to help you burn extra fat. The rest of the moves are helping you tone your arms, but these boxer shuffles are here for one thing and one thing only, to attack the fat. This is key. Cannot skip over that part. Next up, curl to overhead press. You're going to curl your arms and then press to the ceiling. There you go. Yes. Curl those arms and then go to the ceiling. Good. That's perfect. Keep going. You're almost at the break. You're doing good. One more. Awesome. All right, go into those boxer shuffles again. Suck the abs in. Swing those hips. You're doing a great job. Find the nearest wall next to you. Your feet are just a few feet away from the wall. Drop your weight into the wall. Extend your arms. Don't worry about looking back. I will tell you when the timer is almost done. I'm not going to play you like that. Have you doing wall pushes all day? Keep going. Almost there. One more. That was perfect. Go ahead and take a few seconds to rest. Drink some water. Text your friend and tell them, girl, I'm working out today. Subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't done so already. It's totally free for you, and it really does mean a lot to me and my whole family. We do African dances every time somebody subscribes because we're so happy. I'm kidding, we don't, but we should, because we really do appreciate it. I appreciate it. I appreciate you. Okay, I'll be back after the break. We can keep going. Welcome back. Straight back into that poopy position. Abs sucked in, arms extending. Let's go. Really suck in your abs. Good. Try to keep your back as straight as you can manage. Don't hunch your back and don't arch it too much. Don't do the Instagram pose with this. Good. Very good. Your elbows should be hinging at your waist. Try not to move your elbows too much. Awesome work. Boxer shuffles. Let's go. Get that heart rate up. Move. Good. I like the way you're doing it. Arnold press. You're going to attempt to touch your elbows in front and then raise your arms to the ceiling. Again, if you can incorporate weights, definitely do that. Otherwise, do body weight. It's all good. Really control this movement. Be conscious of the muscles you're using. Good. You have so much control. You're doing good. There you go. Good. Boxer shuffles. Just keep moving. As long as you're moving, you're winning. Sumo arm lift. Feet are wider than shoulder width apart. Slight bend in your knee. You're going to do your hands to the front, to the side, and to the ceiling. Suck in your abs the whole time to maintain your balance. Are you ready? Let's go. You look gorgeous. Just in case no one has told you that today, I want to remind you and tell you that. I think you're beautiful. Keep going. Look at you. You're doing a great job. Okay, give me those boxer shuffles again. Get that heart rate back up. Yes, 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 you can. You're doing a great job. Keep going. Curl to overhead press. You're going to curl your arms and then press toward the ceiling. Go back to the starting position and repeat. It's 30 seconds. You can do it. Let's go. Very good. Your arms are going to be looking so nice. Like, they already look nice, but they're about to look even nicer. Okay. Boxer shuffles. Let's go. Let me see your attitude. You have one more move after this, and you're basically done with this whole workout. You just killed it, just like that. Like it's nothing. Find your nearest wall. Your feet should be just a few feet away from the wall. Let your weight fall into the wall and you extend your arms. This is a great alternative to doing push-ups. Just a few more. Give me one more. Yes, you did that. Put a slight bend in your knee. Give yourself a huge hug and just gently twist from side to side. I just want to remind you that you are special. You are precious. You are somebody. You have something to offer to this world and you are going to deliver. Don't give up. Keep showing up. Do the work. You will see results. I love you so much. Thank you for working out with me today. Subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't done so already. Tell all your friends and family, and I'll see you in my next workout video.